Hi, friends. It's Dr. Mary Gardner with Lap of Love, and I wanted to talk about a question that I'm often asked. It is, should my older pet still have heartworm prevention treatment? So before I answer that, I want to just take a quick second to talk about heartworms in general, because a lot of people don't understand that disease. So the heartworms are actually transmitted by mosquitoes. So if you live in an area where there's mosquitoes, like I'm here in South Florida, where we have mosquitoes all the time, or if it's seasonal, then your pet is at risk. And I hate to say this, but all of the United States has mosquitoes. So anyway, the heartworm larvae, if you will, are formed in the gut of the mosquito. I'm not going to get into too much details of this, but what happens is that mosquito, when that mosquito bites your dog or cat, that is then transferred into your dog and cat's bloodstream. Then it makes its way up into your pet's heart. And that is why they're called heartworms, because that is where they grow into adult heartworms. It takes about 6 months to get to an adult heartworm. And did you know that they could be almost up to a foot long? They're really large. And then once they become adults, they will kick off little microfilaria babies. So these are like little babies, if you will, in the bloodstream. And so then in the bloodstream, your pet has microfilaria circulating around. And that is when we take a blood sample, that's what we're looking for, is that microfilaria. And so what does this do to your pet? Heartworms is a huge burden on a dog or cat's heart, where it actually could interfere with valves. It could add a lot of pressure. And then also the little microfilaria that I talked about in the bloodstream, that can actually do damage, particularly to the lungs and the liver. So it's really important that we prevent heartworms. Now, how do we prevent it? Super easy with a medication that's given. Sometimes it's monthly, sometimes it's a couple of months. And it's not just for our dogs, it's really important for our cats. So with dogs, if they do get adult heartworms, it's a very serious treatment option. And it can be life-threatening if you don't have it treated. With cats, there's actually no treatment to cure them. So we absolutely need to give our cats heartworm prevention as well. So I want to just suggest that all pets, regardless of age, definitely continue to have heartworm prevention. Now, some people may say, well, it's my older pet. Should I really do that? Absolutely. Age does not prevent them from getting lots of diseases, and one of them is heartworms. So if you have any questions about this, absolutely talk to your veterinarian. But I'm going to give you a spoiler alert. They're going to suggest that your pet remains on heartworm prevention. And some people may say, well, he only has a few months left, probably, and that we could have a conversation on, because it does take a few months for them to become a burden. But our pets are living longer and better, especially in your care. So absolutely continue with heartworm prevention. And again, although I live in South Florida, and so mosquitoes are year round, we're coming to the summer, and this is Heartworm Awareness Month. And so I just wanted to put this message out there. So I hope this was helpful, and keep your pets up to date on everything. Thanks so much. Bye.